Hey guys, so tonight we'll be having kimchi jjigae. So let's buy some ingredients. Let's go. Spring onion. Okay, kamahal. Kanira barato. Radish. Okay, mahala. Kanina lang. Excuse me, sir. Bacon slicer, half kilo. Yes. Thank you. It's so mahal. Naka-extra may gamay. So, lami kay magmacaroni. Magmacaroni na lang ta. Buy 2, save 8. Jollicow 50. Cowbell. Milk. Walay rose fresh nga 2.5, so i-try na lang tani. Ang Sun Fresh. 1 box of cheese. Good thing we have Snack Prestige. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. One hand. Sir, thank you kay sir. This is our homemade version of kimchi jjigae. Let's go. Happy dinner.